Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping whatever is forcing the fans to run. Open Activity Monitor and identify processes hogging CPU, quit or relaunch them. Make sure Mac OS is up to date because system updates often include efficiency fixes. Move your MacBook to a hard, flat surface so air can flow. Soft surfaces trap heat. Once done, reduce screen brightness and close unused browser tabs. These small cuts lower workload and temperature fast, so the fans can calm down. Now dig into the system controls that actually manage fans. Run Apple Diagnostics by restarting and holding D. Record any thermal error codes so you know if hardware is the issue. If you have an Intel Mac, reset the SMC to clear fan and power management glitches. On Apple Silicon, a full restart resets those controllers. Install a lightweight sensor tool to watch CPU and GPU temps. This shows whether a single app or a background task is triggering sustained heat. Finish by addressing airflow and possible hardware wear. Use short bursts of compressed air on the vents from the outside. Do not insert objects. If the fan noise continues after software fixes, book a professional for internal cleaning and thermal paste replacement. Those wear out and cause high temps. If something still feels off, boot into safe mode. If fans are quiet there, a third-party app is likely the culprit. If noise persists even in safe mode, seek Apple service because it may be a failing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.